How to convert 401k to gold. How to convert a traditional 401k to a Gold IRA with your employer's support. To begin, request free advice from your employer regarding its existing 401k plan and the existing rules which apply to you as an individual. If you work for an employer who offers a qualified retirement plan, inquire whether the plan allows you to convert a traditional 401k to a Gold IRA. If it does, what is the procedure to do so? Many companies offer a limited edition product, like gold coins or bars, and members of their company may be able to convert their traditional IRA to Gold IRA. However, there are also companies who deal in gold products but not necessarily IRA products. The latter are firms that facilitate the conversion of a traditional IRA to physical Gold IRA without the need for your active involvement. You just have to find the company and sign up. The company will provide you with a form which you have to duly fill. The company will then pay the amount converted to your account within 60 days. After signing up, you may continue to receive electronic newsletters and telephone calls from the company. Its representatives may call you at times to clarify the conversion process. It is important to follow all the rules and regulations regarding the conversion of a traditional IRA to physical Gold IRA. Reading the document given by the company, inquiring about the conversions, and making sure that you understand everything properly before signing anything are some important steps. To learn more about our top Gold IRA company picks, visit www.givemethegold.com. The conversion process differs from one company to another. Before signing up with a particular company, it is advisable to do your own research and study the process of conversion. There may be certain points that you may find irrelevant or not significant. The first thing that you should look into is the reputation of the company. You can easily find this by looking at the ratings of the various agencies. A rating from AM Best may not necessarily mean that the company is the best. The actual rating may simply mean that they belong to an elite group and are highly regarded in their respective industry. If you want to have more exposure to gold, it may be advisable to go for the Gold IRA conversion. You can easily find a number of firms that provide this service. In addition, there are also some platforms that help you know which firm is providing you with the best conversion services. This platform makes the process of selecting an agency easier for you. Once you select the company, then the process of conversion starts. You will be provided with all the documents that you need to convert the account. You will need to look over these documents before you actually take the plunge and take your retirement as planned. It is important that you take your time when dealing with the conversion process. Some firms may lure you with attractive deals. However, you should not be in a hurry to convert the account. Take your own time in evaluating the firm that will handle your conversion. Only after you have had enough time to consider the conversion options, you can make a good final decision. It is also important that you have a thorough knowledge about gold investment strategies. While you are going through the conversion process, it is important that you do a lot of reading. Understanding the conversion options thoroughly is very important for those people who wish to convert their retirement accounts into gold. It is also necessary to do your own research about the pros and cons of the different investment options. This will ensure that you have done your share of homework. It is important that you get as much information as possible about gold investment before you proceed any further. We offer our top company picks to do your gold investing at our website at www.givemethegold.com. Good luck in your journey. Visit givemethegold.com to learn more.